Hey everyone, ever had an insightful or helpful conversation with Qwenlm.Ai that you want to save it for later? Maybe you are collaborating on a project or want to review the key information or simply want to keep the record of your chat history. Well, good news. Exporting your chats from Qwenlm.Ai is super easy, and in this tutorial I will show you exactly how to do that. First things first, let's go to Qwenlm.Ai website and make sure that you have already logged into your account, and if you haven't, simply log in. Now look for the profile icon which is in top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it and this will open you the several options. There's setting, archive chats and logout. Tap on settings. This will open your settings option, and on the settings section you can see several options. There's general, interface, modal, chats, account and about. Tap on the chats. This will open your chat section, and over here we can see an option for export chats. Now click on the export chat and this will automatically export your chat. And that's it, you have successfully exported your chat from Qwenlm.Ai. And also, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.